Alright guys, we took the Rampage out today and tried to get y'all some running footage. As you can see, as you're watching the video and you get to the end, it died out. I had no idea what was going on. It wouldn't start. Brought it back home, got to looking at it, it wasn't getting any fuel. I got to looking at it even further and realized that the head had come loose. So I pulled the cover and was going to torque the head back down, and then I noticed that the head gasket had actually blowed out. So I guess it's time for some more upgrades on the Rampage. So we'll try to get it fixed, get back out there and get y'all some more running footage. Until then, just get outside and enjoy the RC lifestyle.